All right. Wednesday, week 6 morning work. Let's get started. All right. Working with our map grid and map index for Wednesday, it says in which squares are the cities of Birmingham and Hoover? So let's take a look. Birmingham and Hoover. In which squares are they? Well, we can look all over the place here and say, oh, look, they are right here. They are in C3. But we could have also looked down here in this grid right here and found Birmingham and Hoover and saw that C3 was also right there. So either way would have worked. So C3. In which square is the city of Mobile, Mobile, Alabama? Well, let's go ahead and do that how we did. Let's look down here, Mobile. Ah, yes, right there, G1. And we can confirm it by looking at square G1 right there. Okay. All right, moving along. Daily word problems. Music. Wednesday, the band director wants to know how long the concert will last. The first song is 7 minutes. The second song is 11 minutes. The third song is 6 minutes. The last song is 13 minutes. The director also must add 2 minutes between each song. How long will the concert last? It looks like we have a rather long addition problem here. So that we have 7 and then a 2-minute intermission between that song. 11 minutes and then 2 minutes in between. 6 minutes, 2 minutes in between, and 13 minutes. So we have this ones column that we need to add up here. And we can go right down the way here, or we can kind of mix these up and see if we can't find something that will help us. A 7, 2, and a 1, that's going to give us 10 right there. And then, let's see, what else do we have here? We have an 8 here, 9, 10. And then the 3 right here. So we've got 23. And then we can add the 2, 3, 4. So I believe 43 minutes is how long the concert will last. Okay, daily math practice for Wednesday. 16 plus 12. You know what? I'm going to take that 16 over here this time. Partly because it's kind of grayed in over here. But also with addition, it does not matter which one we add first. We're going to end up with the same answer of 28. Take 4 from 30. That's going to be 26. Which of these numbers is 116? Oh, that's right there. Write these in correct order. Well, first, second, third, and fourth. 9 boys, 8 girls, and 2 teachers played ball at recess. How many people played ball? Well, we're going to go 9, 8, and 2. Add those up. Right here I can see 8 and 2, that's 10, so I'm going to go ahead and do that first. Plus 9 is 19, so 19 people. All right, down here. Have you ever traveled on a boat, bus, or train? Well, if we don't put a comma right here, we have a boat bus, which I've never heard of before. So we're going to have to, first of all, have you ever traveled on a boat, comma, bus, comma, or train, question mark. Right, so that is a series, boat, comma, bus, comma, or train, question mark. He wants to go to Seattle, Washington in October. Capitalize he. Wants to go to Seattle, Washington. City, state. And when we have city and state, we want to separate it with a comma. So that is Seattle, comma, Washington. In October, so we need to capitalize that. It's a month with a period at the end. What is the correct way to divide these words into syllables? We have summer, summer, that's right there. And then fishing, fishing, right there. Which word is not spelled correctly? Well, we have new, glue, school, and this one, spread. I believe S-P-R-E-A-D. Okay. Minute 18 math. Circle the name of the shape. That is a pentagon. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Write the fraction that names the shaded portions. Well, we have 2 shaded portions, so that's going to be on top. This is our part. Now we need to know how many are in the whole. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 2 over 8. Multiply the numbers. 4 times 3. This is 4 groups of 3. That gives us 12. Write 142, 114, and 287 in order from least to greatest. 114, followed by 142, followed by 287. Add these. Well, I'm going to look right here and see that the 1 and 4, that gives me 5. And this is going to be a friendly number because 5 plus 5 is 10. Complete the fact family. 4 plus 9 gives me 13. So 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 minus 4 is 9, just like 13 minus 9 is 4. And then use the bar graph to complete questions 8 through 10. Which ice cream flavor is most popular? So which one got the most votes? Well, chocolate, of course. Which ice cream flavor is the least popular? Strawberry. How many more votes, or I'm sorry, how many more children preferred vanilla than strawberry? So, what are we asking for here? We need a subtraction problem. How many more? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pick vanilla, and 2 with strawberry. Subtract those, and we get 3 more children. We could also see that if we zoom in right here. All right, as they're right here beside each other, how many squares or sections would it have taken to even that out? Well, 1, 2, and 3. Okay? All right. Let's back this back out and get to the last part, the grammar. All right, top section here. Write yes if the underlined word is a common noun, no if it is not. Okay, and remember a common noun names any person, place, or thing. All right, and typically a common noun, unless it's in the very beginning of the sentence, a common noun is not capitalized. So Betsy ate pizza for lunch. Okay, no, that is not a common noun. Okay, so I'm actually going to take this one step further here and say it's either going to be a common noun, a CN, or it's going to be a PN, a proper noun. So Betsy, that's a proper noun. Carol is my little sister, common noun. Jody likes to shop at the main mall. Well, because it is part of this overall word, we're going to say that is a proper noun. I can't wait to learn how to drive a car. That's a common noun. We baked a ham and a turkey. Common noun. Dawn gave her dog, Oscar, a bath. That is a proper noun. So coming back through here, anything that's a common noun will have a yes. All right. And then down here, circle the two common nouns in each set of words. So we've got state and city. That's common. We're not naming a specific state or city. Girl, woman. Bunny, deer. And street and lane. Those are the common nouns there. And that is the end of our morning work week 6 for Wednesday.